Have to go magnet fishing again today, and this time we have a little journey to get to the bridge. Kind of sketchy, but I think I can do it. So let's go. A little muddy here. Glad I got my boots on. There's the bridge over there, but we still have to get across this little creek. Oh boy, think I can make it? There we go. Ah. That's first fail. I know I can do it. Just hope I don't slip. All right. Whew. There we go. I really didn't feel like falling in the water. But we made it. I'm gonna have to do it on the way back too. So that should be interesting. I'll head up on this trail now. There it is. There's the bridge. It's an old railroad bridge. The tracks were taken out of here, I think in like the 1920s. So we're gonna toss the magnet here in this area, and I'll rope you back in if we find anything cool. Ah, I don't know what that is. Not really sure what that is. Well, we're gonna clean it up when we get back and give you an update. Cool. I don't know what it is. Oh, looks like a railroad spike and a piece of metal. Cool. Love finding those railroad spikes. Tune you back in if we find something else. Next toss. And we got another railroad tie. Another railroad spike. So, very cool. I like these. I clean them up, I repurpose them, make different things. So, good find. Tune you back in when we find something else. Got something else. Oh, it looks like there's a few things on there. Nice. Wow. 1, 2, 3. Got 3 different things. Don't know what this is. Another railroad spike. Cool find. And looks like a bolt. So add them to the bucket. We're gonna clean these up when we get back and get a better idea what they are. I'm liking it. Good finds. We'll tune you back in when I find something else. All right, I don't know what I got here. It's got a little weight to it, but let's find out. Looks like a nut and another railroad spike. Very cool. Add them to the bucket. Good finds today. Loop you back in when we find something else. Got a couple more things coming up, but maybe you could hear that. I just had a whole bunch of geese fly right over my head. But here comes the next find. Something bigger. 2 pieces. First we got a railroad spike and another bolt. 2 more finds, add them to the bucket. Get a nice little pile going in there. So let's get back at it. Here comes something else. We got 2 more things on here. Nice. With a railroad spike and a bolt. Add them to the bucket. Awesome. Well, it definitely seems like I found a pretty good spot here. Like I said, I've never been here before, but we're gonna loop you back in when I find something else. Got another something coming up. That looks like a big bolt with a nut on it. Cool find. Add it to the bucket. Loop you back in when I find something else. One thing after another here. Another one. And it looks like it's gonna be another bolt. Cool. Cool find. I'm definitely gonna be able to make something out of these. I just clean them up, repurpose them. I'll tell you, make sure that when you're out magnet fishing, anything that you find, take home with you. Proper thing to do. So tune you back in when I find something else. Wow, look at that. Oh, cool, man. I think that's a railroad plate. Very cool find. Into the bucket. Well, we're gonna leave out the bucket right now, but nice find. You can see the size there, it's huge. All right, we'll loop you back in when I find something else. Got us something else here. What is this? Nice, double. We got a double. We got two railroad spikes. Sweet. Put them in the bucket. Very cool. Very cool. Well, that's it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed coming out with me today magnet fishing. We found some awesome finds. I love finding the railroad spikes because I repurpose them and I use them to make art. I'll post some of them in a later video. Thanks again for coming out today. And if you've never tried magnet fishing, got to get out and do it. Enjoy your day, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.